In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a primary key in Snowflake. If you're getting started with Snowflake or exploring how to better organize your database, understanding primary keys is fundamental. Think of primary keys as your database's way of ensuring that each record is unique. They serve as the main identifier for rows within a table, preventing any duplicates and maintaining data integrity. Let's dive into how you can specify a primary key while creating a table in Snowflake. You have two main options. You can define it inline within the column definition, or use it as an out-of-line constraint. We will focus on the inline definition today, as it is straightforward and a common approach. Imagine you're setting up a table named Employees. Naturally, each employee needs a unique identification number in your records, right? This is where the primary key comes into play. By designating Employee ID as your primary key, you make sure that every employee has a distinct number, ensuring no two entries carry the same identifier. To achieve this using the inline definition, you would start by using the create table statement. Here's how it would look in practice. Create table employees. Following this, you open a parenthesis to define the columns. Your first column is Employee ID, which is of data type int, representing an integer value. Immediately after the data type, you specify it as a primary key. This instruction tells Snowflake to regard Employee ID as the unique identifier for your table. Continuing with our example, you would define other columns such as first name and last name. These columns, both of data type string, will store the respective employee names. The full statement ends by closing the parenthesis. Once executed, Snowflake will create your table with these specific configurations. The Employee ID column will now serve as the primary key, assuring you that no two entries can share the same identifier. This setup is essential for maintaining organized and accurate records within your database. It's crucial to remember that primary keys in Snowflake are for documentation and structural guidance, rather than enforcing uniqueness at the database level, unlike in some other database systems. However, defining primary keys is still a significant practice for guiding data structure and serving as a reference for future indexes. In summary, setting up a primary key when you create a table is a great practice. It helps keep your data clean and your database well organized, making your life easier when it comes to managing and querying data. I hope you find this demonstration helpful. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights on using Snowflake effectively.